Following the success of Operation Sindoor, a massive Tiranga Yatra and in fact several yatras were organized across India as a tribute to the valor of the Indian Armed Forces. The marches saw enthusiastic participation from citizens, children, NCC cadets and government officials who waved flags and chanted slogans like Bharat Mata Ki Jai. The yatra is being hailed not just as a patriotic show but as a symbolic salute to the armed forces for their precise strikes on terrorist hideouts post the Pahalgam attack. We have Dharani joining us on the broadcast from Chennai, where a yatra currently is underway, I'm given to understand. Yes, Dharani, over to you.
The Tamil Nadu BJP unit under its chief Nayanar Nagendran has been holding a mega Tiranga Yatra here in Chennai. In fact, I am standing in a Pudupet area of Chennai and you can see in the visuals over here hundreds of BJP supporters, not only the BJP supporters but general public. We could see college students and school students. They have participated in large numbers in this Tiranga Yatra, and as you rightly said, this Yatra is to celebrate the success of Operation Sindoor that was executed with precision by the Indian Armed Forces, and this Yatra is also to express solidarity with the Indian Armed Forces and to thank the Government of India under Prime Minister Narendra Modi for all the proactive steps that they've been taking in the last 2 weeks to keep the citizens of this country safe. So we could see a huge crowd here, and as I told, this yatra is being led by Tamil Nadu BJP chief Nayanar Nagendran. Apart from Nayanar Nagendran, top faces of Tamil Nadu BJP including former governor Tamilisai Soundararajan, Vinod P. Selvam, Karu Nagarajan, Narayan Tirupati, etc. They have participated in this particular yatra, and this is not political, because we could see a large number of common public, children, school-going children. They have come with India flag in their hands, and they also hold placards that read Tiranga Yatra that conveys gratitude to the Indian Armed Forces, the Army, Navy and the Air Force.
Absolutely, on display is the unity and the support for our armed forces. Thank you very much, Dharani, for getting us the details. Meanwhile, a Tiranga Yatra was also carried out in Assam's Guwahati, which was led by Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. Let's take a look at this report filed by Anamika.
So it's a proud moment for me to take part in this Tiranga Yatra as representative of the entire state of Assam. This is basically to display our solidarity with the nation, our India as a nation, as also with the armed forces who have shown their valor, who have shown their steadfastness, who have shown their bravery in front of the terrorist attack, and thereafter they have gone and destroyed, not only destroyed the terrorist camps, they have also gone inside Pakistan and Pak-occupied Kashmir and inflicted heavy damage on their air bases and other military installations. So that's a very, very proud moment for us.
Well, CMs Yogi Adityanath and Pushkar Singh Dhami also led these patriotic marches in their respective states, carrying the national flag and expressing solidarity with the army. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah were thanked for their leadership, with people saying the Sindoor of Indian women was avenged with the blood of terrorists. What does this emphasize? That this is new India that does not tolerate terrorism and gives a strong response. Citizens said that they may not be on the border but stand united with the army in spirit. Across states, the Yatra has become a moving display of national pride, unity and a powerful message of India's military might and zero tolerance against terrorism.
पाकिस्तान ने इन 75 वर्षों में दुनिया के सामने केवल आतंकवाद के बीज बोए हैं, और पाकिस्तान ने अपनी विफलता की ही कहानी दुनिया को बताई है। बहनों और भाइयों, पाकिस्तान की विफलता, आतंकवाद को उसके द्वारा दिए जा रहे प्रश्रय और ये आतंकवाद को उसके द्वारा दिए गए प्रश्रय इस बात को साबित करता है कि आतंकवाद एक दिन पाकिस्तान को भी निगल देगा। पूरी तरह खोखला हो चुका पाकिस्तान आज जिस प्रकार की हिमाकत कर रहा है, जिस प्रकार का दुस्साहस कर रहा है, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर उसका जवाब था, और आने वाले समय में तय है कि जो भी भारत की तरफ उंगली उठा करके देखेगा, भारत की बहन बेटियों के सम्मान के विरुद्ध, उनकी सुरक्षा में सेंध लगाने का कार्य करेगा, उसके जनाजे में कोई रोने वाला भी नहीं मिलेगा। यह भारत का संकल्प मजबूती के साथ प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने अपने संकल्प में और अपने संबोधन में व्यक्त किया है। हम आभारी हैं प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के।
मैं ऑपरेशन सिंदूर की अभूतपूर्व सफलता के लिए भारतीय सेना, वायुसेना, नौसेना, बीएसएफ और उनके सभी सशस्त्र सुरक्षा बलों के वीर जवानों को अपनी तथा देवभूमि उत्तराखंड की समस्त प्रदेशवासियों की ओर से उनका आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। साथ ही हमारे देश के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को भी धन्यवाद देता हूं कि जिनके मजबूत नेतृत्व में और स्पष्ट नीति के कारण ही आतंकवाद के विरुद्ध इस निर्णायक कार्रवाई को सफलतापूर्वक अंजाम दिया गया।